Hey, what's up guys, this is Akshay and today we are starting a new series of video and we call it hashtag tech tips. So in this video we are going to answer the questions that you post in the comment section of the YouTube or on any other social network with hashtag tech tips, hashtag TTSMG. So if you have any questions and if you want a video answer to that, just post with hashtag tech tips and hashtag TTSMG. Now I made this video on the rose gold Mi Band 3 metal strap and it really went nice. So it has 12k views and I also absolutely like it, the rose gold finish, and I'm using my Mi Band 3 with that strap. But there was a lot of comments asking how to remove the tracker, the Mi Band, from the metal strap, and I was amazed with the question. So as you can see, how you can remove it. Hi, how can you remove the watch from the strap? Can you make a video on how to remove the tracker from the strap? Thanks. Approved. Now I'm making this video. So let's start. So this Mi Band 3 metal strap was really nice, as you can see, the gold finish, and I'm using it for a while. It's durable, it keeps your Mi Band safe. So let's start. So let's remove the Mi Band 3 from strap. This is your Mi Band, as you can see. Now you have to push it from the back side, keeping your finger right here, keeping this finger as support, and push it towards this side. As you can see, just push it hard, it won't break. There you have it, the tracker removed. And there was a guy who literally dumped his Mi Band away just because he was not able to remove it. And I was like, seriously, did he seriously did this? So if you're watching this video, bro, you can find it from the trash and you can remove this and your Mi Band 3 is working again. So this taught me making this video from today itself. This is a new series called hashtag tech tips. Now again I'm putting this band again. So I did this in my review video of the strap, but I didn't show how to remove it. So let's again, I'm putting this tracker on the strap, as you can see, and just push it. There you have it. This was easy, right? But to remove it, again, push it from one side. If you push it from center, it won't remove because there's 4 grooves here. So let me show you. So push it here, have a base here, and push it hard. There you go, it got removed. As you can see, you have 4 strands here to basically keep it in the place. So if you push it from center, it's not going to remove. So you have to push it so hard that this gets removed, this groove removes, like the tracker removes from this groove, and you can remove the tracker. Simple as that. So that's pretty much for this video. Hope you liked it. If you like this kind of videos, then definitely hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. This was a very fast tech tips. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next video. Bye bye now.